स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manual. Today in this video we'll talk about the CLAT 2020. So the CLAT 2020 will be conducted on the 22nd of August, and that means just 20 days to go. So friends, this is only time to analyze the overall preparation and to evaluate yourself. So here we'll talk about the mock test and the past year papers. So friends, for mock test series, you can visit to manuaedu.com/lawentrance or you can call on us at 8828581455. So moving further, so friends, these are the program by the Manua. You can get the full course termed as CLAT 2020 full course, the sectional course section wise, and the mock test which is completely on new pattern based and books. So friends, if you have not started preparation yet, then you can join for full course where you can interact live with us, where you will get all the shortcuts, the fundamental concepts, the mentorship, all cognitive processes which can boost your hard work. If you are lacking in any section, then you can join for the section wise courses here, and to evaluate yourself and to analyze the overall preparation, you can give the mock test. So friends, as few days to go for exam, you have to evaluate yourself by giving the mock test and referring the past year papers so that you can get the complete idea about the exam and you can implement on it. So friends, why mock test? Here we'll talk about the mock test strategy, how to make the strategy and how to prepare for the exam by giving the mock test. So friends, आपको जैसे ही first mock test देना है, then you have to analyze it. अब ये एनालिसिस आपको क्यों करना है? Because while analyzing, you will know about your weak section and the strong sections. You can analyze for time taken for solving each question and you can know the difficulty of the exam. In similar way, आपको each mock test solve करना है. Like when you are going for second mock test, आपको फिर एनालिसिस करना है. So here you will see your time speed for solving each section will increase. You can easily solve the strong sections, and for weak section you will get some ideas how to implement on it. And then you have to come to the third mock test and again analyze it, and then to fourth mock test and again analyze it. If you will give around 8 to 10 mock tests, then you will be completely familiar with the question paper pattern, where you can understand how much the easy questions there, how to solve the moderate to difficult level of questions, which section should be solved first, and for your weak section, how much time you have to solve it. So friends, the most important point is analyze your mock, because you will get some benefit from it, and these are like you will be familiar with the interface. So friends, we have mock test completely on new pattern based, as it is the replica of your entrance exam. You can easily handle time pressure, so you have to first go to the easy questions, then to moderate, and then to difficult. And guys, here you can know your strong and weak sections also. So here you can understand आप कहाँ लैग कर रहे हो और कौन से एरिया में आपको ज़्यादा काम करना है. And from these above, you can build up your D-Day strategy. So friends, these all are the benefits by giving the mock test. So friends, I suggest you have to give the mock test before going to your exam. And in these 20 days, you can prepare yourself by building the all strategies. So friends, what should be your strategy? Let's talk. So your strategy should be snatch and run. So friends, आपको इनकी तरह काम करना है. Like if English is your strong section, then solve it first. Those questions which are very easy, you have to solve it first, then the moderate on the second number and the difficult third number. So friends, जैसे ही आप easy question solve करते जाओगे, आपको पता चलेगा that you had much time for the difficult questions. So friends, GK section will not take you much time. So here you have to consume less time, and the saved time you have to use on the further sections. So friends, remember, snatch and run. Snatch the easy questions and then run accordingly, moderate to difficult. So friends, to make this strategy like this, you have to come on manuaedu.com, where you can set your priorities and you can target your lakshya in annual use. So here you have to come on the buy online section, then to law entrance, and then here you will get the full course, books, study materials, mock test, and the sectional course. So friends, you have to come on the mock test here, and then you have to come on CLAT 2020 mock test, where you will get 10 full length mock test plus the 7 past year papers. So friends, it is the complete package for you, where you can evaluate yourself and analyze the overall preparation of yours, so you can easily learn which are the areas you have to focus more. So friends, simply add to cart, prepare mock test, and be ready for CLAT 2020. If you not started preparation yet, then you can join for the full course. You can get the study materials here, mock tests, and if you are lacking in any section, then you can get a section wise courses. So friends, this is all from the today's video. If you have any doubts and query, you can ask me in the below comment section. And to crack CLAT 2020, then join Manua online program where you can get book, mock test, sectional, full course. You can also attend our live lectures. So visit at manuaedu.com/law entrance. This link I also mentioned in the description. So kindly check the description. You can call us on 8828581455. If you are Mumbai based, you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. Thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.